Deutsche Bank Platinum Card Germany up the pros, the cons. When you think of prestige banking in Germany, the Deutsche Bank Platinum Card often comes to mind. But is it really worth the premium? Let's break down the pros and cons so you can decide if it fits your lifestyle. Starting with the pros. The Deutsche Bank Platinum Card offers a strong package of travel and lifestyle benefits. You'll get worldwide travel insurance, purchase protection, and a 24-hour concierge service that can book hotels, tickets, or even last-minute flights. Frequent travellers will also appreciate access to airport lounges through the Lounge Key program, a major perk that adds comfort to every trip. The card also includes premium customer service and higher spending limits, perfect for professionals or entrepreneurs who want flexibility. The Deutsche Bank mobile app integrates seamlessly, making it easy to monitor spending, receive alerts, and manage international transactions. But what about the downsides? The annual fee is high and is only worth it if you take advantage of the travel and insurance benefits. Interest rates can also be steep if you don't pay your balance in full each month. And while the card is globally accepted, MasterCard exchange rates may include a small markup on foreign transactions. So woe's it for? The Deutsche Bank Platinum Card is ideal for frequent travellers, business professionals, and anyone who values top-tier service and protection. The surprising truth? If you use the perks strategically, you can easily outweigh the annual cost. But if you just want a simple credit card for everyday use, this one might be overkill.